Hello, this is Gülcan. In this video, I will introduce you the visual profiles for text display and signaling LED in Axis Audio Manager Edge. Audio Manager Edge provides on-device audio management and scheduling for Axis speakers. First, we will go through how to create visual profiles and then how they can be added to the schedules. Axis Display Speaker is an all-in-one communication device with text and signaling LED. With Audio Manager Edge, you can control what it shows on its screen and how it lights up for everyday use. Visual profiles can also be used for strobe speaker to create their signaling profile. Let's go to Visual Profile tab and create our profiles. To create a new profile, click the Create button. Name the profile for easy selection in drop-down menus. Description is optional to explain its purpose, but it helps keeping profiles organized as your collection grows. Let's start with writing the default message. As you type, a real-time preview on the right shows how the text will appear on your display speaker. You can customize both the text and background colors. This helps the visuals to match with the aim of the text. It is available to manage the scroll speed of the text. Also, you can control the duration of the text on the screen below. You can choose between horizontal or vertical layouts. Vertical scrolling offers to display 2 rows at the same time, or 3 rows at the same time on the screen. Next, you can define the signaling LED settings. For steady pattern, you will select a single color. Selecting a new option automatically deselects the previous one. For other blink patterns, the system allows you to choose more than 2 if needed. Click the selected color again to deselect it. Also, you can specify the speed and brightness of the signaling LED. The duration setting is similar to the text duration settings. You can use the signaling LED definition for the strobe speaker, even if the profile has no text settings. Once satisfied with your settings, click Save. Your new visual profile will then appear in the list from where you can easily edit, rename or delete it. Moving to default settings, you can assign a primary visual profile for each content type. For instance, you might select a paging profile for paging and limited time offer for advertisements. Remember what we selected for these contents. Setting up paging requires careful initial configuration. Now we go to paging recipients. When creating a new entry, the default paging profile will be pre-selected in the drop-down. You have the flexibility to change this profile or customize the message specifically for the new entry by keeping other settings as is. To assign a visual profile to an existing paging recipient, select the recipient from the list and modify the visual profile section. Now, let's create an example by adding a new schedule in advertisements. Our default advertisement profile, which was limited time offer, will be pre-selected on the drop-down. Then we can select the visual profile we created, which was coffee discount. If you want to change the message, you can customize the text message directly in the text box before saving the schedule. Keep in mind that other settings for theme of the text and signaling settings will stay the same. All that covers visual profiles in Axis Audio Manager Edge. Thank you for watching.